Revolution Avenue, I think it's what it's called, right? There's a street. Anyway, this is the Arc of Tijuana?
Yes.
Is that what they call it?
It's a clock.
It's a clock? Where? I don't see a clock.
It's on the other side.
Oh, behind that.
Behind that, yeah.
Behind that, whatever that thing is?
Yeah.
Anyway, so yeah, we're right at the Arc of Tijuana, and we're gonna walk up Revolution. We're gonna talk about what we see. A lot of fun and crazy stuff. Let's go do it. So Revolution Street is more of a touristic area. There's this Hotel Nelson. It's a good Spanish last name. We got a lot of police up and down this street. A lot of traffic too. I wouldn't recommend driving. Walking's fine. A lot of tourists. We got a nice bar open. It looks like it might be an adult sort of bar, perhaps. If you want, you can buy your Viagra and Cialis. All these drugstores, all these pharmacies around here have that, huh? No prescription needed. Wink, wink. You buy all kinds of fun stuff, like a pregnant-looking Mario. Ninja Turtles, weird little bears. A lot of stuff you go. Oh, luchador masks. Stuff that you can buy and bring back home. Both sides. Shoe shop. Jazz, do you bank here at HSBC? Is that a good bank here?
No.
It's a terrible bank? All right, we already passed like 2 pharmacies, and there's another couple coming up. So what kind of people walk on Revolution? Who comes here?
Could be tourists or people that are just leaving the city. They don't own a car. They just use public transportation.
They come through here?
They come through here and get to the street. They need to get their transportation.
So if people that live here come on here, they're just kind of passing through?
Passing through, yeah.
Or well, that's right. They have those new bus things right in the middle of the street, huh? For transport. And this right here, the donkey looks like he's taking a break, but they usually have a donkey that you can get on and ride. Not ride, but just take pictures on. Now, I wouldn't recommend eating at any of these restaurants here, because it's really just a place for tourists to come and eat, so I don't think they have to be good. These restaurants, usually not very good.
Except for the Caesars.
Except for Caesar's restaurant. Oh, yeah.
Are out there.
Hopefully we'll make it there. My camera only got 15% battery. Hopefully we get that far. But these are all new, these little bus things. So you're seeing the locals come and get those buses.
Yes.
Lots of different bars. If you want to come to a bar, it's fine. But you don't really want to come here to eat. Back in my day, Jazz, people would come here to party, like on the weekends. Since the drinking age limit or the required age in Mexico is 18. I had a lot of friends from college like to come down here and drink and party in the nightclubs.
Yeah. I guess still a place where they do that, right?
I don't know. I'm not college age anymore. I don't know what the young kids do these days. You know what? Let's take a dip in one of these things. Just right here. Just a quick little look. Huh. These things are really popular right here. These stores that sell trinkets. Buenas. Yeah. There's a lot of bands, people with guitars and trumpets and accordions that roam around here playing for money, for tips. Also, back by the Arc of Tijuana, a lot of musicians hang out there. Like a lot of mariachi bands, they just kind of chill there, and that's a place you go if you want to like hire something. So you drive in, they go, hey, how much for the day or whatever, then they go and they do their thing. Let's take a little swoop through here. Oh, real quick, if you guys want to know, there's parking right behind that building. Paid parking. Just about everything around here you got to pay for it. Even the bathrooms.
I'm telling you, if you would have went with us last year,
There's that donkey I was telling you about. They got a few of these out here.
He's eating.
He's on lunch.
Hojas de tamal.
What?
Hojas de tamal. Estaban comiendo.
These blankets are pretty popular. Nice warm looking blankets. I got one of them at home. Every now and then you got little cool shops around. Here's a casino. Caliente Casino. You can go in there. You got a lot of slot machines. They don't have. I think they had one poker table, maybe a few blackjack tables. It's more of a slot machine place. You can also place bets on sports. I got a few guys that I know that like to come down here and place those bets. Dropping lots of money down here. Especially the same thing on both sides. There's some other people hustling on the streets. It's a Chargers luchador mask.
Got a good price for a honeymoon.
Thank you. Jez, I think I've eaten at this restaurant. I do not recommend it. I don't recommend going there. Oxo, the O-X-X-O, pronounced Oxo. It's like a 7-Eleven. Very popular down here. More donkeys dressed as zebras. How do you feel about these donkeys, Jazz?
Bad. I don't like them to be working all day, just standing there supporting overweight people.
Fat people just on these donkeys. This guy's name's Ruben.
I understand it was tradition, but the same purpose could be done with fake donkeys.
Fake donkey? I don't think they'll make as much money. Okay.
You never know. Probably you could do more if you market it that way. Like
A fake? Oh yeah. Non-animal treated or what's that? It's the thing when people don't. Okay, it's not animal tested. There you go. It's a premium.
yeah, probably you get more like people like me. Probably will want to pick
Support them.
Support them. Yeah.
Yeah, they could even have giraffes. Fake giraffes. People will customize shopping carts. I've seen people set up corn, like they'll take corn out and they'll start cooking it in a shopping cart. They got their own little stove thing going on with the propane tanks. Every now and then you'll find things like this. It looks like the stores are shut down today. Today's a Saturday, so it's probably one of the more busier days.
Caesar's.
This is Caesar's? We're already there? Caesar's restaurant and hotel, very popular. They're known for being the... My GoPro died right here, right at the Caesar's. Anyway, like I was saying, so the Caesar's restaurant is known for creating the Caesar salad. Gentlemen, right here. There's a Caesar's restaurant and a Caesar's hotel. Have you eaten here before, Jess?
Yes.
Many times?
A few.
This place I do recommend to eat on Revolution Avenue. All right, I'm just gonna end it off with a quick little pan around. Check it out. I have some other videos you can check out too about TJ. Do you want to tell him something special, Jess?
Yes, I would like to tell you, like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Here we go. I'll leave you guys with the cool little panoramic shot of the avenue. Oh, here's a treat. Look at this guy. Baby, he's the donkey now. He's the donkey.